Once again, all about chicken breeds in less than a minute. Today we have Cuckoo Marans. These are beautiful birds. They lay super dark eggs like these, dark browns, not to be confused with Plymouth Bud Rock, which also has similar coloring, but their coloring has very prominent zebra-like lines. These ones have lines, but they are a little bit fuzzy, as you can see. They're dual-purpose birds, but they're mainly used for eggs. They lay about 150 large dark brown eggs. They come in different colors too: black, copper, cuckoo, which is this color, and then white. Those are the Marans. These birds originate from France. They lay super good looking dark brown eggs, just like this one. And they are not that heavy, so they are not used as much for meat as for eggs. Beautiful bird, Cuckoo Maran. Bye-bye. See you guys in the next video.